Yeah, this is a cool old building. All these floors, this is all poured concrete. We're on the 4th floor. This is the new part. Here's the old part. All brick, concrete floor. Hard to tell what this thing weighs. There's the other end of our crane. Had a good day to do this. Yeah, even your roof, the roof is concrete. The shingles are just on there for looks. Built in 1913. Yeah, all this is concrete. That flat part, that's all poured concrete. Roof lines, it's all solid concrete. I have no idea how they did it back in 1913. And that tower there is the elevator shaft. That's how they get product from one level to the other. You know, they can take her all the way to the top. I believe that's the 6th floor. Pretty amazing to me. I'm always interested in old construction and the buildings, and then I'm always interested in how it was built. You know, they didn't have concrete pumps back then. They had there was a company in Indianapolis called Inslee. We've got an old Inslee crane, but they would have possibly had something here. I've seen old photos of them. They would basically set in, like turn of the century, they would build almost look like a grain leg, and to get the concrete up, and then it would, you could gravity flow it down from there. They may have had something like that, because we're in French Lick, and that Inslee, they was based out of Indy. I could see that happening. Well, we'll catch you later, folks.